Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to go over the ad introduction activity that you've completed. As you'll recall, the introduction for your Paper 2 ad analysis should have an attention grabber, which can be a startling statistic, story, or anecdote, quote, or a question, and background information that includes the product, brands, and years. You'll also have a two-part thesis statement that covers the contrast, but that is covered in a separate video and activity. When we look over these, we want to be checking to make sure that we have both of these pieces. If we look at example 1, advertisements have been used as a way of convincing people to buy certain products for years. It does not meet the criteria of being a startling statistic, story or anecdote, quote, or question. It's just a basic statement of what advertisements are, which we already know. The rest of this statement, one specific form of advertising that has been proven to help sell products is the use of magazines. Magazines are sold in many different kinds of stores. They target a wide range of audiences, and they also advertise for countless products and companies. Again, if we check our criteria, this does not tell us anything about the product, the brands, or the years. So this would not be an acceptable introduction. Our second example, what is every advertiser's main goal? It is indeed a question, but it is not a question that's effective in drawing us in to the topic of the actual paper. The rest of this, it is to draw the reader in, make the reader think that they need the product the magazine is trying to sell. It is interesting the way different magazine design audience-based ads. The advertisers will make sure they are aiming to the right group of people. Also, they want to catch the reader's eye. Again, we do not have the background information we need to set up the paper. We are lacking the product, brands, and years. Our third example, women love jewelry. It is essentially a bold statement, if you will. We might have problems with it in terms of stereotyping in general, but we know that this paper is going to be about jewelry. However, if you examine the rest of this paragraph, while it does say some interesting things about jewelry and try to draw connections with the audience, again, we do not have our product, brands, or years. Our fourth example, in 1915, the company Maybelline was founded to provide a way to enhance women's natural beauty, and although makeup is still used today, it has many different purposes and goals. So we do have some information about the founding of the company, which would count as a startling statistic. The differences between how Maybelline advertised its products for their different purposes will be discussed for a 62-year gap. The first advertisement is from 1951 and is for Maybelline Eyebrow Pencil, Eyeshadow, and Mascara Kit. The second advertisement is more recent, from 2013, and represents a voluminous mascara from Maybelline. We do know our product. We are dealing with makeup. We do know that we will be talking about Maybelline products for both of these, and we know what the years are. One ad is from 1951 and one is from 2013. Therefore, this fourth example is a good representation of the type of information that you should have in your own ad analysis.